Utterly Intelligent Technology Co. Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating seismic sway bracing attachments design, research and development, production, sales, and technical services. We got through first. FN certification, UL certification, CE certification, ISO Quality Management Systems Requirements Patent certification, design software. A wide range of products exhibition hall, showing a variety of seismic solutions for fire safety. Lateral support and longitudinal support, structural attachment, quick lateral bracing clamp, structure attachment adapter, clavis hanger, standard pipe clamp, C-shaped steel bracket. Our factory home to a dedicated team of 120 employees, including 20 R&D specialists and over 30 experienced technical experts. The company takes quality as the base, adopts advanced marketing model and service concept based in China to the world. Equipped with advanced laser cutting machines and casting equipment, we ensure smooth. The product has no cracks. The automated C-channel steel production line can produce a variety of specifications. Custom design molds, hydraulic stamping deliver precise dimensions, guaranteeing superior product quality. Our rigorous quality control process ensures superior product reliability at every stage. We also provide comprehensive one-stop services tailored to meet customers' specific requirements. Independent laboratory is equipped to conduct casting structure analysis and metallographic testing. Product load test, parts salt spray test, casting structure analysis, seismic support hanger cyclic loading test. The entire process, from assembly on the production line to testing, packaging, and boxing, is completed in one seamless workflow, ensuring high efficiency. Using solid wood fumigated pallets, securely wrapped with plastic film, ensuring easy handling and transportation. Utterly adheres to the philosophy of technology, creates a safe world and warmly welcomes both domestic and international clients to collaborate with us, joining hands to achieve mutual success. Utterly look forward to your cooperation.